Move this side. Songa pada hiyo. Songa ni oi. Songa ni this side.
Please come close this side.
Attention please, attention. Silence.
Thank you for coming to welcome. Now you feel at home.
Okay, thank you, Your Excellency. I think before I say anything, let the President of the Kenya salamia nyinyi, and then I give the order of the day.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Na nyinyi nyote habari zenu kwanza. Karibuni Kenya. Karibuni Eldoret. Kwa sababu mimi najua mmetoka nje na kitu ya kwanza ni pongezi.
That is the most important thing. Pongezi. Nilikuwa jana kuongea kwa TV. I think that was a very good interview.
So for all of you, I'm sure you are working up well. That is why we are here.
We want to say
thank you because we have been invited here by His Excellency the President, by His Excellency the Governor. And here we will come at a good place. The launch of the city. So congratulations, Your Excellency. We are very happy because this is the city of champions.
yeah, we are the city of champions. We are back here to join the other Kenyans in witnessing this unveiling of the city, the fifth city in Kenya. So we say thank you so much, and we welcome all of you. We are very happy. We are very happy that we thank God that we have gone to Paris. We have done whatever we did, congratulations, we have come back safely. That is the most important thing. We have come back safely. Karibuni nyumbani. I want to say well done once again. Congratulations to each one of you. Okay, so let us see how the day goes. I'm sure the program will start now. Then we continue from there. Otherwise, can do this.
Thank you very much. Just to remind you that we have our area MPs. We have Dr. Steve Bill. We have the governor of Yomarak, the governor of the County, Ms. Lee, and all senior officials. We are welcome to Sulu. We have a senator from Sulu, and together with the chairman of KNL, we have Mheshimiwa Sudi, Mheshimiwa Panto, Mheshimiwa Herantich, Mheshimiwa Ilias, mjumbe wa hapa. Tutaongea kurudia, tutaenda hospitali
Hamjambo. Congratulations. Welcome to Eldoret. It's such a pleasure and a very good coincidence to receive the champions as we also, as the president gives us the status of Ilanga City. Asanteni sana.
Very good.
Wesley Rotich, Governor wa Elgeyo Marakwet, welcome back home and congratulations champion.
Karibuni sana, mimi ndio mwenye airport. Welcome home.
Asante, mimi ni jirani ya airport, hiyo msituni upande ule, naitwa Sisi Yeruto kwa wageni, mjumbe wa KSS, karibuni sana and congratulations.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome home and congratulations. You made us proud. That was not a mean achievement. We are really, really proud of you, guys. Thank you so much. You are welcome home. Welcome forever.
Karibuni sana. Mimi naitwa Phyllis Pastor Mugumbe Mwideni. Karibuni nyumbani. Tumefurahi sana. Kept us for 19 days. And we were very excited. And we are very excited to see you again. Karibuni sana. Tumefurahi sana.
Asante sana, Sudan. Sasa wewe tukaline up hivi vitu vinamwenda wote kwa magari alafu twende. Sawa? Haya. Then we can get away in the next 5 minutes. So meanwhile, let us line up here just for a photograph or special outfit. Please. Order.
Mbele inaingia kwa wale wanasema hadi wanaingia saa hizi wa president wana piga kwanza.
Thank you.